So you guys have already seen my wash day process, and now it's on to styling. And as you guys can see, I am really jamming to some music in the bathroom here, and it's a real vibesy session. And this process doesn't really take me too long, but it is really worth it in order for me to get these type of results. So if you'd like to see how I get my hair into this really great wash and go, then definitely stay tuned. So first I start off in the shower as I told you guys, and I'm using the Cream of Nature Coconut Cream Hydrating Curling Cream. And I actually really love this, and I'm using a generous amount as you guys see here. By the way, am I the only one who put shed hair on the wall of the shower? Comment down below if you do that too. But I'm applying the curling cream to soaking wet hair, and you really want to make sure that your hair is like soaking wet. Generally, for most people, our hair tends to be the least frizzy when it's soaking wet. So applying product to it while it's soaking wet just really helps to lock that curl pattern in place. So next I'm going on to the styling gel, and I'm patting off a small section, and I'm just painting on the gel from the roots and then dragging it down to the tips of my hair, and I'm just raking the product through my hair with my fingers, and that just really helps to define my curls as much as possible. And as you guys can see, I'm really going in, raking the product through and just massaging it into my hair, and it really helps to define my curls. So I'm even going in on a smaller section, and really you want to make sure that your hair is really thoroughly coated, and that's going to give you the best results. As you guys can see, there's still a little bit of frizz, so I'm going in and smoothing your hair after you rake it really helps to diminish the frizz as much as possible. And you guys will see in a few how much better my hair looks in terms of reduced frizz. And as you can see here, I'm just doing another section. As you guys saw that section, it was very frizzy. And one thing you want to remember with wash and goes, how your hair is when it's wet is going to be even more frizzy when it dries. So you want to make sure that there's as little frizz while it's wet, so that when it dries, it's gonna dry in a much more clumped and a much more defined manner. You guys see this here. And I just want to let you guys know, I know there are lots of people who have scalp conditions, seborrheic dermatitis like I do. I just want to let you guys know that when applying product, don't let it get onto your scalp. It really just helps to reduce any type of inflammation. And as you guys can see, again, I am jamming out to tunes in the bathroom. My mom was playing the radio really loud, and I was just having a time. So I'm just going to go through the rest of my hair. And now I'm to the front where my hair texture is a lot looser, and at this point I go in with the looser textures and I kind of just finger coil them, and it helps to make them curl a little bit more than if I just rake it through. So my technique is a little bit different in the front of my hair. I take smaller pieces and I finger coil them to try to get them to curl a little bit more. And I do that throughout the front of my hair where the textures are looser, and then I take all of the hair in front where it is loose, as you guys see here. I'm adding some more gel because this front part of my hair tends to be a lot frizzy as well, so adding more product as much as you need really helps to really get a defined curl all the way through. And when I'm done doing that, I just take my hand and I scrunch those curls in front to just kind of bring some of the curls back to life. And here I am, completely finished with my hair, as you guys can see. And after you finish, apply all of the product. You really don't want to touch your hair after. And then at this point, I go and I sit under my hooded dryer for like 30 to 35 minutes. Scroll through Instagram, check Facebook, do whatever I need to do, and then that is basically all I do. Hey guys, so you have basically seen all of the steps that I've taken to actually get to this point. This is what my wash and go looks like. It is about 80% dry. It's still wet, a little damp at the roots. So in order to combat that and to combat shrinkage, I go in with my trusty blow dryer. So that's what we're about to do now, so just keep on watching. So before I do that, I basically just go in and
section off my hair to make it easier for myself. And to be honest, these sections that you created before are basically what you're going to be using. Just because your hair would have clumped in that way, so it's going to be easy for you to section off and really get to your roots. I'm using my blow dryer on a warm heat and low speed, so let's get started.
I usually use my concentrator nozzle at this point, but I couldn't find it while I was filming this video. But that's generally what I do. So I'm holding my hair taut and just blow drying the roots just to stretch my hair and to get the roots of my hair dry. Stretching your hair really helps to reduce single strand knots. I've found that, and I'll do a separate video on how I reduce single strand knots wearing wash and goes as frequently as I do, but you guys could definitely see the difference there. If you guys want to see how I do this process on the whole of my hair, I have a separate video on that I will link above in the cards and in the description box below for you guys to check out. But now we're gonna jump to me finishing the rest of my hair.
So for those of you who've been following me for a while, you guys would already know that the front of my hair is a looser texture, so my technique is a little bit different when I'm blow drying my hair in the front. I don't really stretch it because it's already a looser texture than the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do.
So at this point, I really just tried to get the blow dryer into the roots of my hair. Not necessarily to stretch it, but just to dry it so that it's no longer wet. So that's basically all I do. And I just kind of fluff my hair to my desired liking, and that is it.
So yeah guys, this is my hair literally like 99% finished. My hair is already blow dried. It has a ton of body, a ton of movement, a ton of volume. I'm loving it, and there's definition. Like, this is my best wash and go combo to date. I haven't had anything that could top these results. Like, I get perfect definition and volume every single time with these products and this technique. So let me just spin around and show you guys what the back looks like. That is literally what my hair looks like, and this routine has been working out so amazing for me. I hope you guys try it out. If you do, then definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I'd like to know what your favorite wash and go combo is. Maybe I'd try it at some time in the future. If you actually have, or if you follow a similar technique to mine, let me know as well down in the comments. And if you have a different technique, I'd also love to know what you guys do to achieve your best wash and go. So at this point, I could actually go ahead and just do my edges. I'm not really a huge edges person, but for the sake of the video, you know? So I'll be right back. So to do my edges, I always use a gel with a stronger hold, maybe like Eco Styler or my Wetline Extreme Gel. The Cantu gel is more for like curl definition, but to me it doesn't really like hold down your hair. Like, I wouldn't do like a puff or like a bun or something with that gel. It just gives really like a medium hold. So that's how I get definition and volume. But my Wetline or my Eco Styler gels are really good for like slicking down your hair, you know? So yeah guys, this is literally the finished result, and it took me longer than obviously it would have taken me if I wasn't filming it. But my shower wash routine maybe takes me like half an hour to shampoo and then deep condition, because I deep condition for like 20 minutes under hooded dryer, and then shampoos like 5 minutes. Pre-pooing to detangle my hair prior to wash day is around 5 or 10 minutes. So that's give or take 30 to 35 minutes. And then I literally style in the shower, so that's another half an hour. So let's say we're at an hour 5 minutes, and then I sit under the hooded dryer again to dry my wash and go. That I sit under the hooded dryer for maybe like half an hour, and then I blow dry the rest. So in all, from shower, like pre-poo, shampoo, deep condition, styling, and finishing, I could be done with my hair in 2 to 3 hours depending on what I'm doing that day or how fast I'm moving. And to me, that is amazing. So if you guys would like to have similar results to this and spend the minimum amount of time in the shower, from like dirty hair to perfectly styled, ready to go out the door, then definitely try these products, try this technique. More importantly, it's not so much about the products, but try this technique, and I'm sure you'll find that it works out for you, especially if you're a wash and go girl. And as you can tell, I am legit feeling myself with this wash and go, and I have zero place to go. Zero. Nada. Nowhere. Especially with coronavirus going around, I have nowhere to go. I'm not going anywhere. So especially for you guys out there, if you are in a country or in a region that has been affected by the coronavirus, I really hope that you guys stay safe, keep washing your hands, keep practicing good hygiene. Look out for your brother, your sister, be your brother and sisters. Let's look out for each other, especially the older ones in our community, the more susceptible ones. Really keep an eye out for them, and I hope you guys stay safe, stay clean, stay hydrated, take your vitamins, build up your immune system, all that good stuff. So without further ado, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never ever miss future uploads from me. And I thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. By the way, before I go, shout out to Astral from A Style for this bomb haircut. Like, my haircut, my wash and goes look so much better now that I've got my hair shaped. It is amazing. So if you are one of those girls who probably did your own big chop and you never got a stylist to let them shape it up, or even if you want to shape it up yourself, it is so worth it. Yes, you're going to lose length, but the final result and actually like the outcome of your style is so much better, and it is so worth it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little quick tidbit there. So peace.